Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering the Hindu dated the 15th of April 2026 and telling you what to read and what to skip for UPSC aspirants. These are the must-read articles especially for international relations, global security, diplomacy and strategic affairs. If you are reading the Hindu dated the 15th of April 2026, then don't waste time reading everything. I'll tell you the most important international relations articles for UPSC. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First article. Efforts underway for second set of US-Iran talks as fragile truce holds. You can read in the pages front page 1 and world page 15. Subject relevance, international relations, diplomacy, West Asia. Why important? Talks between the United States and Iran are important for regional peace, sanctions issues and nuclear negotiations. Any improvement in ties affects oil prices and global stability. Very important for GS Paper 2 and prelims. Next article. China calls US blockade of Iran ports dangerous. You can read in the page world page 15. Subject relevance, international relations, global power politics. Why important? Shows growing rivalry between China and the United States in West Asia. Important for understanding geopolitical competition and maritime trade routes. Very important for GS Paper 2. Next article. Lebanon and Israel hold direct talks in decades. You can read in the page world page 15. Subject relevance, international relations, conflict resolution, West Asia. Why important? Direct talks between old rivals indicate diplomatic shifts in West Asia. Useful example of peace building and mediation. Important for GS Paper 2. Next article. Italy pauses defense cooperation deal with Israel. You can read in the page world page 15. Subject relevance, international relations, defense diplomacy. Why important? Shows how conflicts can affect military cooperation and bilateral relations. Useful for understanding defense partnerships in Europe and West Asia. Important for GS Paper 2. Next article. She calls for closer economic ties with Spain in face of global chaos. You can read in the page world page 15. Subject relevance, international relations, economy, China-Europe relations. Why important? China is strengthening ties with Europe amid global uncertainty. Important for supply chains, trade diplomacy and strategic balancing. Very important for GS Paper 2 and GS Paper 3. Next article. Modi, Trump discuss need to keep Strait of Hormuz secure. You can read in the page Nation page 10. Subject relevance, international relations, maritime security, India-US relations. Why important? Strait of Hormuz is a critical oil shipping route. Its security directly affects India's energy imports and global oil prices. Very important for GS Paper 2, GS Paper 3 and prelims. Why these topics matter together? Read all these topics together. West Asia remains strategically important. Oil routes influence the global economy. Major powers are competing for influence. Diplomacy is shaping regional stability. India's energy security depends on maritime peace. These topics are interconnected. Very important for UPSC mains analytical answers. What to skip today? Skip personality-focused political statements. Skip sensational war narratives without policy relevance. Focus only on diplomacy, strategic routes, trade ties and global security. Quick revision keywords. US-Iran talks. West Asia. China-US rivalry. Lebanon-Israel talks. Defense cooperation. Xi Jinping. Spain. Strait of Hormuz. Energy security. Maritime trade routes. If you want daily the Hindu UPSC filtering, subscribe now to Sankalp.